Universal Motors has a long-established history with Volkswagen in Ghana. As Universal Motors, we are truly excited and honored to have been entrusted with the responsibility of assembling Volkswagen vehicles for the people of Ghana.
It's a special day today to bring the people's car to the people of Ghana.
All the major economies of the world have one thing in common: vibrant. Auto industry.
I would like to convey our gratitude and appreciation to your administration for making our dream to bring Volkswagen to Ghana a reality.
We want to replicate this example in all other sectors of our economy, including the automobile industry. We want to assemble and produce vehicles in Ghana and thereby reduce eventually.
Yeah, Afrocentric something. Link walk. I take it one day. Them they do what we they do, but them no go fit do we like we. Them they do what we they do, but them no go fit do we like we. Oh my yeah. Really good yeah. Oh my yeah. Really good yeah. Oh my yo. Oh my yeah. Oh my yeah. Really good yeah. Oh my yo. Oh my yeah. Really good yeah. Them they do what them they do moi. Them they do moi. Me know well like you no go fit moi. Yeah. You no go fit moi. Them they do but them they do day. I ask myself say I AI. The clock they tick before them I go.
Our overall eyes on the importation of used vehicles.
If Ghana wants to become a big global player, we must learn from what these other countries have done.
I believe that Ghana automotive development policy has the potential to take our country to this level.
This, as a result, will create a lot of highly skilled jobs, reduce the high foreign exchange used in the importation of second-hand vehicles, and thereby help strengthen the Ghanaian currency, whilst at the same time earn the nation foreign exchange through the exportation of made-in-Ghana vehicles.
I hope this success will serve as a good example for other companies to set foot into Ghana in order to accompany Ghana's successful way to industrialization and modernization.
Kokumbro na metuahu malacha no na yekrabe no ati apose tie no memowai na dom autofix edwuma ko bia enam omoso ama malacha no abeye hyemu akora medwen ho amente ase na se edwuma obo ho de enya edwuma ketwa jai woye alignment and balancing, car suspension, polishing and detailing, steam wash na se base yenye interior decoration pa wo hyen mu a kokumtumda jai osesa oil sansie wo hyen no ma edimu afese wa fidie no emu odu chen asono aduonum kura obemma so asiesia ma pepepepepepepe ubehu nadom autofix e odansoman asori da ho woni KFC ene di nhwani mu frɛ nadom autofix e wo nwoma yi so 0244 733 249 0246 519 369 nadom autofix wo hyen no be tija.